Hi guys, what is up elders and youngers? This is Digital K47 aka Ashok. Advance Happy Diwali to your family and your loved ones. Celebrate this Diwali with happiness and in a safe way. In this video we will be talking about how to manage your time as a social media marketer. So this video will be an dedicative and strategic wise, so this video will be very helpful. Do watch this video till the very end, and if you are a digital marketer doing social media and also other activities in digital marketing, then there are some more other videos to manage your time as a digital marketer or a SEO person as well. The videos are in the card button, you can check that as well. In this video will be a very long and a creative one, so do watch this video till the very end. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button just like this, because we post videos related to digital marketing news, trends, practices. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So if you are a social media marketer and if you are managing time is very difficult for you to manage your time with the daily activities, then you should know the ABCD of social media marketing. What ABCD stands for is, we will discuss by which every alphabet with the explanation as well. So let's start with the A. A stands for automation. So automation means you should automate the activities, duties, responsibilities in a social media marketer. If you are a social media marketer working as a company, as a job or a freelancer, it doesn't matter, but this ABCD of social media marketing will suits all the social media manager. So automation, if you are a social media marketer, then you should know to automate things, because you know what are the duties, work need to be done, what are the strategy, what are the postings with the social media platform and the strategy, you should know very well. Then the next thing you have to do is automate. There are many other softwares to automate these things, and if you are doing manually, use a Google Sheet or any other type of Word documents to handle that, what I am doing, what I am supposed to do, what will be my next plan or what will be my next step. So by automating this thing, you can get a reminder that these are the things which I am doing, these are the things which yet to be done, these are the thing has to be done in the future. So by automating thing, you will not forget anything under social media marketing. And the next alphabet is B. B stands for baiting. So what baiting means, if you are a PUBG player, then you should know what bait means. Baiting means is you are going yourself among a team by pretending among the enemies, so that your teammates will get a kill and your team will. So similarly, you have to apply this strategy in social media marketing as well. So if you are running ads and if you are running postings, if you want to grow more reach, then try to study test cases. So that's what baiting means. Try to search for many test cases in social media marketing. How can I increase this? So try to search this kind of real case studies, so you can get a more knowledge to improve yourself. So that's the B stands for, don't forget to bait this. This is the main thing in the social media marketing. So people usually put this strategy in for a long time and they doesn't get result, then they put on the plan B. So try to do before this baiting research. So this is more related to R&D. So do R&D in the real time case studies, so you can get a real value of what you are going to do and what you are going to target. And the next alphabet is C. C stands for content. If you are a content writer and you are doing social media marketing, then it will be more useful for you. So as content is the major job for a social media marketer, because you are attracting audience with your content and creativeness and the attractiveness you do. So for the content, you should spend an hour. Basically, you have to split out the hour. If you are doing a 8 to 10 hours work as an employee, or if you are a freelancer, you are doing 24 hours the same job, but slot a time for content, because content is the big thing, because marketing and posting these tools even can do that, but the content which you should do by yourself, so you can get a better knowledge. So I basically slot a 4 hours for my content work. So maybe in the 4 hour I can do for my next month, or even for the next month additionally, or for the next week, based on my work and schedule. If I am handling many clients, then 4 hours will be enough to manage for the next till the month or till the next week. So it based upon your work. So I will say that slot a hour for content and also slot a hour for automation as well. So I forget to say in that. So you can slot, by slotting these hours for these two alphabets will make your things possibly easier and effectiveness. So you will not miss out anything. So because social media marketer has a lot more things to do, and if you forget one thing, we will get a harsh reply from our client. So if you don't want to get that, slot hours for each and every alphabet. This is basically my pro tip for that. This is also an additionally bonus tip for that. And the next and last alphabet is D, delegate. So this is the plan of action. So what kind of plan of action you are planning? So if you are planning for a client to run an ad and also doing posting, and if you are planning for a next POA for a client for the upcoming days with the new strategy and posting type or recommendation for a client or for yourself, delegating is the big thing. So because everybody does a plan, write the paperwork, prepare the posting, prepare the hashtags, but what oppose come to the delegatingness. So people usually does a mistakes on this part actually in the D. So you should know how to delegate the things effectively. So you should know the proper time of posting in each and every social media platform, and you should know where hashtags and where content works on each and every platform. So it's not the thing that you are posting the same post on different social media is not a big thing, but the content and the hashtag, because every social media works each and every opposite direction, which is regarding to the Newton's third law. So because every social media has its own algorithm, so you should know what hashtag and content will work for this type of social medias. So more or less Facebook and Instagram are closely related, so that will bother you a lot. But when you go to Twitter, LinkedIn, Snap and other social medias, each and every social media has its own algorithm to practice within yourself, so it will take huge time. So while delegating, please make sure you understand the thing in what social media we are working and what social media audience we are going to target. So by delegating that, it will save much of your time. So what actually does this is prepare an whole plan of ABCD. You can create a sheet and you can name it like ABCD, just like I said. Also I am doing that in myself as well. So by doing that, you will get to know that I am doing this much things, and also there are some more duties which I also want to handle. By doing that, you can effectively and smartly manage your time. So try this at least for 30 days, then you will see this result, and you will come back to this video and will drop a beautiful comment here. So I will be appreciating that if you are doing these practices for your social media marketing and campaigns as well. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Do share this video with everyone. And if there are digital marketers and you want to see much more content related to this, there are much more videos on my channel you can check out after this video ends. Stay tuned for the next video. Till that, get connected and stay updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handle. Once again, happy Diwali to all your family and your loved ones. Bye.